Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I was just waiting for that video to load, and I started playing around. Uh, I'm not a printer. I don't get to print colors, but if you wanted to look what this was going to look like on a blue t-shirt or something, and also another thing, if you had a gray t-shirt and you wanted it to look different, grab your item, hold down your shift key, and double click on your rectangle tool, and that made a rectangle. Fill that rectangle in with a blue, and then go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, and you get a completely different look. Now, I could have filled in all these squares with different colors, but this way they're all done. Just on a side note, kind of like that too, we could use a transparency and make this transparent a little bit, kind of come to each edge. I don't ever get to use this, so I don't really know exactly. Let me back up here. As you can see, I don't get to use it, but you can move these handles around and get it a more uniform transparency. So let's go like halfway and then do the same thing. Just hold down the shift key, double click on the pen tool, and let's use a darker blue. Put it to the order, back a page. I don't know that you would ever use that, but that's what the transparency tool does. And you can see if you watched my other video where I nudged it a little bit differently, because now you can definitely see the lines between when I nudged it, where this one if you remember, we did it 6 inches, 698 instead of 7 inches, but we could do the same thing. But whenever you do a group like that, you have to group it, so Control G. You've got it, hold down your shift key and double click your rectangle tool, and we'll make it blue. That is going to look probably pretty ugly because all the other blue. And it almost looked like a transparency because I think I used the same blue or the same green right in here. But it gives you a total different look by putting it back to the back of page. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit.